Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to check all the apps connected to your Gmail account, the full 2026 version. It's pretty simple, and you'll know exactly which apps have access to your Google data, so you can stay secure. All right, let's get into it. So first thing you want to do is open your browser and go to your Google account page. If you're already signed in, you can just click your profile picture in the top right and choose Manage Your Google account. Once you're inside your account dashboard, you'll see a bunch of tabs on the left side. Click the one that says Security. This is where most of your connected app settings live. Now scroll down a bit until you see the section called Third-Party Apps with Account Access. Yeah, this is basically the full list of apps and services that can read or use parts of your Google account. Click on Manage Third-Party Access. This opens a detailed page where you can see every single app connected to your Gmail account and what kind of permissions they have, like email access, calendar access, or basic profile info. You can click any app to see more details, and if something looks sketchy or you don't use that app anymore, you can remove it by clicking the Remove Access button. I mean, it's always a good idea to clean these up once in a while. And that's it. That's how you check every app connected to your Gmail account in the full 2026 guide. Keeping this list clean helps protect your info, so be sure to check it every few months. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tutorials.